These three AI automations are how I won over a dozen high-value clients on Upwork, taking my earnings from just $30 a project to over $100,000. And today, I'm going to show you the exact system that I use. If you're on Upwork, you know how hard it is to stand out. There are thousands of freelancers with many years of experience. And when I first started out, I had none of that. I was just like everyone else. So how did I bridge that gap? It wasn't luck. It was a simple strategy that I call over-delivering upfront. And I'm going to show you my top 3 AI automations to do exactly that. And make sure you stick around for the third one, because it's my secret weapon for writing winning proposals in under 2 minutes. Let's jump in. The first way to over-deliver upfront is with data scrapers. Imagine you see a job post like this. This client needs home builder or landscape architects in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And most freelancers will respond to this client by saying, hey, I can do this. I'm really good. I promise. You're now competing with dozens of others saying the exact same thing. But what if you did this instead? What if you attach this Google Sheet to the job proposal? I've literally scraped landscape architects in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and it took less than 20 seconds. I have the title, I've got the LinkedIn URL, and I've got a description of the business. And this is what gets you hired. It immediately shows effort and capability. And this automation took me about 30 minutes to build, and it delivers about 10 leads in less than 20 seconds. Can you see the difference? You're not just a bidder anymore. You're already providing value. The second way to over-deliver upfront is with UGC-style AI videos. Let's take a look at this Upwork job. The client needs an AI video generation specialist. They've spent over $100,000 on the platform, and they're willing to pay $12 to $25 an hour. What they're looking for is realistic videos using AI technology. And the ideal candidate should have a proven track record of producing high quality, 100% AI generated content. Again, most freelancers will respond like this. Hey, I can shoot or edit AI videos for you, but you're going to send them this.
Listen to soft.com. Only for you.
You've just proven that you can deliver content that looks native to social media without saying a single word. You're showing, not telling. I use an AI video generator for this that's built inside of N8N. You feed it a quick prompt and you can upload an image of the influencer or the product. And in about 3 minutes, you've got a highly polished UGC style video. Again, it's the same pattern. Instead of promising them that you can make videos, you're already handing them a working example. And that flips the conversation in your favor. Okay, you've seen how to create lead lists and UGC videos, but none of that matters if your proposal is weak. This third automation is the glue that holds the entire strategy together. And it's how I write 100% of all my winning proposals in just a couple of minutes. This is the proposal AI agent. The way it works is that there's a project manager. This agent's job is to delegate the tasks. The first task is to generate a mermaid chart, and I'll show you what that is in a second. The second is to generate the application copy, and the third agent is to generate the document proposal. So the first step is to get the job proposal and copy it. You then open a chat, paste it in, and hit enter. The first thing it will create is a mermaid chart. And if you haven't seen a mermaid chart, it looks something like this. And this has been created based on the client's requirements. I haven't actually read it or built this myself. The second asset it creates is the personalized Google Docs strategy. And it looks something like this. And again, the AI agent has read the entire job brief. I didn't create this. It's very personalized. It mentions all the apps and services that they need. It gives them my approach and a flow like this. And then what I like to do is take a screenshot of the mermaid chart and just paste it at the bottom here. And then the last task that this automation accomplishes is it will create the application copy. And this is what the application copy looks like. I copy this and paste it where it says cover letter. And the time it took to generate all these assets was about 34 seconds. This isn't about letting AI replace you. It's about using AI as your assistant to do all the heavy lifting, so you can focus on the final 20% that actually makes you unique. And there you have it. 3 AI automations, 1 simple strategy, over-deliver upfront. Stop sending generic proposals that just get ignored. Show the client that you're serious before they hire you. Use scrapers for leads, AI videos for UGC, and AI agents to write the proposals that ties it all together. And this is how you stand out, even if you don't have a ton of reviews or any experience. And if you want these automations, click on the link in the description and follow the on-screen instructions, and I'll see you on the inside. And if you love this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you want great tips like this on how you can use AI to generate real money, save time, or build a side hustle. And make sure you turn your notifications on so you know when the next video drops. Thank you so much if you made it this far, and I'll see you next time.